Hey everyone, Ryan from Foxtecc here. If you're trying to install Messenger on your Apple Watch and can't seem to find it, I've got the explanation you need. Today, I'm going to tell you why Messenger is no longer available on the Apple Watch and what your options are moving forward. Let's get right into it. In 2023, Facebook Messenger officially removed its support for the Apple Watch. This means that the Messenger app is no longer available on the Apple Watch App Store, and you won't be able to install it on your watch like you could in the past. Meta, the company behind Facebook, decided to shift its focus away from developing and maintaining the Messenger app for the Apple Watch. While this might be disappointing, especially if you were used to sending messages directly from your wrist, there is a bit of good news. Even though the app itself is no longer available, you can still receive Messenger notifications on your Apple Watch as long as you have them enabled on your iPhone. So if someone sends you a message on Messenger, you'll still get an alert on your Apple Watch, and you can view the notification there. However, for any direct messaging or replying, you'll need to use your iPhone or another device. The removal of the app means you won't be able to initiate conversations or reply from the watch itself, but the notifications will keep you in the loop when you're on the go. That's the situation with Messenger on the Apple Watch. It's all part of Meta's decision to refocus their efforts elsewhere, which unfortunately means no more dedicated app on your wrist. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and tech tips. See you guys later.